Dude, come on, we have to do the shoe collection already.
Come on. I'm not ready for this.
Stop looking at the YouTube analytics.
Oh, you guys. Why do you guys want to see this? These are my shoes, guys.
Shoe collection, done.
Alright, where should we start?
My phone.
So these are the OG Wheats. I came across these in Japan. I know my shoes, when I saw these, I was like, dude, those are the Wheats. The Reese 4, not gonna lie, these are probably like $2,000 now. I got these for 60 bucks. And I kind of brought them back to life. They're really beat. There's still some stains on them, but 60 bucks, dude. I mean, it's just one of the first Nike SBs that's ever been released. What are these, like 20 years old, 18 years old or something? Same as the Bisons, I got these at the same place. These are like 60, maybe 50 bucks. These are probably, you know, $500 shoes now. I don't really wear SBs anymore. I bought them because they're so cheap and they were in Japan. I'm happy I kept these though. I'm never gonna sell these just because they're sentimental to me. As you can see, I love Supreme. I don't know, I just kind of got carried away in this one season of Supreme. I was literally buying like a new hat every week, and as you can see, I wear the same hats every day. They just look good on the wall, you know? The wifey's off-whites that I got her. I think I got these for her on Mother's Day. Some very expensive Mother's Day gifts. Now, a lot of people are asking if I actually buy stuff for resale value or if I pay retail. A little bit of both, to be honest. I use a lot of StockX. If you guys are wondering what StockX is, go look it up on Google. Highly recommended though, they're tight. I think I paid like 1,100 bucks a couple of years ago, I want to say. Because she bought me these for my Christmas gift back when they first dropped. And she bought these for 1,400 bucks back in the day. I don't know how much they are now. They're probably like $3 grand or like $4,000. It's ridiculous. But I wore them for a while. I haven't cleaned them since, and they're just like, they're kind of beat. I skated in them. But yeah, I don't know. They're just shoes, dude. Wear your shoes. Don't believe the hype. So we have the off-white ones. the Europe drop. It only came out in Europe. And then these ones, obviously the Off-White Chicagos. I love Jordan 1s. That's like my favorite Jordan, but I had to get 1 through 13 because everything after 13 is kind of like, eh, whatever. Still some nice ones, but these, let's see the history on these. I found these online from a guy who had 2, size 10, I think? Size 10 and a half. Yeah, the Royals and the Breads. And these are from 2001. He had both for sale for 500 bucks. They were used, still pretty dead stock in my opinion. But I got these for 500 bucks back in the day. I think they're like 500 each now. These are the 01s, so pretty OG. The Satin Shattered Backboards. I bought these, I don't know why I bought these. I couldn't afford the regular Shattered Backboards at the time, and I was like, well, I'll just buy these. So I bought these. I think I paid 700 bucks for them, and these only came out in women's. So this is a size 12 women's, and I don't know how much they're worth now. I hope they're worth more than that, because that would suck. These, I don't even know what these are called. Anniversaries? I don't know. I only like them because they came in a suitcase. So that's why I bought them. I think they're like 150 bucks or something. I don't know. When I bought these, still never wore them. They're literally brand new. Just sit. Jordan 1 bread toes. The bread toes I wear like every day. Jeez, these are bad. Just probably shouldn't be up there. But I got these on Sneakers app when they dropped. I got them for retail. I mean, they're like 160 bucks or something. Oh man, these are probably worth a lot now. Shouldn't have beat them up this much. We have the All-Stars. Only reason I really like these is because they're like chameleon. They change colors. Like purple and green. And then they have the lace end caps, which are the same purple and green. I think I bought these for like 120 bucks. This is what I used to do. I used to basically buy shoes, used shoes. I would clean them up, paint them. I have like a full paint kit, and I would resell shoes. That's what I was doing before I was selling a bunch of cars.
Leveling up.
Yeah, leveling up for sure. I'd buy like 10 pairs of shoes a week. I'd buy them from anywhere 40 to 60 bucks, and I would just either from like Jordan 3s, for example. I bought a bunch of Jordan 3s. They crack here. That's like, you can't get away from cracking Jordan 3s or Jordan 4s, same thing. But I would repaint, I would mask all this off. I would strip down the paint and I would repaint all the shoes myself. And then I'd paint even the leather and everything and make them pretty much dead stock again, besides like the wear on the soles. But I'd sell them for like $200-300 bucks sometimes, each pair of shoes that I've literally picked up for like 60 bucks. We got the Laleys. The Laleys, these came out, I guess it was the first Jordan that was ever created by a girl, or a woman, I should say, or a lady. I don't know what to say, it's 2020, everyone gets offended, but anyways. She's the first girl to design a Jordan 1.
Female.
First female to design a Jordan 1. And I bought these when they first dropped. I think I paid like 350 bucks, 400 bucks. They weren't that big of a deal, but I'm actually curious to see how much these cost. We'll pull it up. And then, okay, we'll finish the Jordans. Jordan 2s. This was actually like my second pair of Jordans, the Jordan 2s. When I was super young, and I honestly don't really like them that much. I was gonna buy the OG Jordan 2s, the black, white, and red ones, but I saw these, and they're kind of like a new modern style Jordan 2. But these were like 60 bucks at the outlet or something, I don't know. I just had them to fill the numbers, you know? So those are my only pair of 2s. Okay, so before the new Jordan 3s came out, the 88 dunk contest ones, the ones with the Nike Air on the back, I bought these for like 160 bucks each back in the day. Black cement 3s, white cement 3s, gotta have both. Always have to have both of the 3s. The 4s. This is just the classic Jordan that everyone should own. I mean, in my honest opinion, it's one of my favorite designs. I've always loved Jordan 4s. But when I was little, they never came with this little piece. It was just one piece, or it was this piece was missing. It was just one piece. And I had to wear grade school sizes, and I was always so mad because my brother would have the bigger sizes and they would look way better. So when I got older, I was like, yes, I can buy all my shoes again. Back in the day, I used to have so many shoes. You remember Jordan, when I was little, I had a closet.
A wall.
Yeah, it was just a closet and it went all the way to the ceiling of Jordans. There's somewhere, I think I have a box. I'll try and find them. If I find them, I'll put them in the video. But it's a box full of my Jordans. They're all like really small Jordans. Anyways, the Bread 4s. This was a shoe that I always wanted when I was little. I don't know why I could never get them. But I started making some money and I was like, you know what? StockX is gonna have them. So I bought these brand new on StockX. I think I paid like $360, something stupid, really expensive. And then they dropped them, they re-released them, so I was super pissed off about that. Yeah, a lot of these shoes they re-released after I bought them. Everyone was buying them for retail. Obviously, if you buy the OG ones, semi-OG, you're gonna pay a little bit more. The Cool Grey 4s. Definitely one of my favorites from back in the day. I had these back in 6th grade when they first came out and I wore them every single day. And I found them not too long ago in the box and the soles are just like completely gone. The 5s! I remember Gabe bought these and he used to play basketball in them and I used to love them. But I don't know why I could never get them in my size. Grade school sizes suck, man. They never look the same either. They don't look as cool. So it's one of those situations again. When I got older, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get those shoes that Gabe had. He used to play basketball in. The Fire Red 5s. I think I got these for like 90 bucks. They're like brand new. I don't know why the guy was selling them. There's a lot of fake stuff, so you gotta know your shoes before you just start buying stuff. Fire Red 5s, that's just, if you have the black pair of Jordans, you need a white pair of Jordans. That's just how it goes for me. The 6s, this is another shoe that I had when I was little. I used to wear them so much, dude. So when I got older, I was like, okay, I need to have my maroon 6s again. I think I have the navy blue and whites, but that tongue always got me. And then they have like this little buckle, but the grade school ones didn't have that. There's all these little things that the grade school sizes didn't have. All right, where are we at? So we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s. Definitely not a fan of 7s. Just because they look kind of ugly on me, in my honest opinion. But the Raptors, I love the Raptors, I just couldn't find them, so I got the Hairs instead, just to put them on the rack because I have to fill my 1 through 13. I actually brought these back, they were really beat. I think I repainted the white on them, took out the crease marks, tricks up my sleeve, man. These, the Undefeated Eights, I think they're Undefeated Eights, that's what I was told. Eights are definitely a weird shoe, very awkward looking. But dude, these are tight. I really like these shoes. I like them so much I've never worn them. But yeah, the OG 8s, the black, white, and red, I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy them soon. I just kind of fell off shoes again, got sucked into cars. The 10s are super ugly, but you gotta love them. I had to get them. I had these when I was younger too. I was given the Shadows, the OG Shadows from one of my uncles. I could never fit them because they're too big, but I always had them on display when I was little. 11s. I'm sleeping on 11s. I should have all of them. I have the Space Jams. I bought these for retail. Still haven't worn them. The 12s. I had Taxis. I had the OG one, black and white ones, and I sold them. And now I got stuck with these, just regular general release. I don't know what they are, dark grays. But they're still cool. I mean, the quality on them is really nice. But I need to get my Taxis back. Oh, if you're wondering why I skipped the 9s, I had them down here, but like they're falling apart, so they're literally like corroded. 13s, super ugly shoe. But I had these shoes when I was little and I wore them every single day. I think I have a picture of me wearing these on my bike with my stupid helmet on. I'll explain some of these shoes on the right here. 5s, this is my 3rd pair of 5s. I didn't even know these existed until I found them on StockX. I paid 350 bucks for them, which is really cheap. I'm pretty sure these are more expensive now. But Supreme Jordan collab, you can't sleep on that. The Sean Weatherspoons. These shoes are super slept on. I got these off StockX. I think I got them for like 400 bucks, and I thought I was stupid for spending $400 on Air Max, but I mean, dude, Air Max 1 bottoms with the 97 tops, you can't go wrong with that. And then we have my little rack that I don't really care for. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end it right here. Way too much footage, Jordan. Look at this guy, he's over it. We still got Leah's shoes we gotta do. We still got the baby girl shoes that we gotta do. If you made it this far, thank you guys. If you want more, what, will we do a continuation?
I guess, but I don't think anyone's made it this far.
No one's made it this far. Oh, thanks guys.